my channel. So today's video is actually kind of different. So as you guys can see, I'm in my kitchen right now. But yeah, so I'm going to teach you guys how to repurpose your Bath and Body Works 3-wick candle into awesome DIY holders. So yeah, if you guys want to see how to do it, make sure you guys stay tuned. While you're at it, make sure you guys go ahead, click that subscribe button down below for me. While you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed and want to see more videos like this. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so what you guys are going to need, so right now I do have a pot on the stove and it's going to be set to boil. I had already done 3 canisters earlier, like this one that you guys see here. I did do 2 more set aside so that way I have a canister to put my makeup brushes in, which I will actually show you guys towards the end of the video how I do those. So also what you're gonna need is any of like your Bath and Body Works candles. So you guys know I am obsessed with Bath and Body Works candles, especially when I worked there, and I really stock up typically during the semi-annual sale and when they have their $8 candle day right before Christmas hits, because I mean, who doesn't love a candle for Christmas? So yeah, so I'm gonna do 3 of them for you guys. They're just random ones. So before you do this, you just want to make sure that your candles are obviously like at the bare minimum, like there's no more burn in them. So you just want them really, really low. And yes, so when the water is boiling, I'll show you guys what to do next. Alrighty guys, so my water is boiling. So I'm literally just gonna throw, literally throw it in there, but I'm just gonna set the candle in there, and literally the wax is going to start melting because the water is really, really hot. That's literally all I do. Now just wait for the wax to start melting. Alright, and then just to make it heat up a little faster, you guys can put a lid on it. So when your candles start to look something like this, you guys should be able to literally take them out. Obviously, please be careful. Please grab like an oven mitt. And what you're gonna do, you're just gonna dump the wax in your closest garbage can. Also, but just keep in mind, like, be extremely careful when handling this. Alrighty guys, so next what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna want to wash the candles, because as you guys can see, there's still some wax. We're gonna get rid of the labels on here. So what you're gonna need is any old dish sponge. You're gonna want one of those metal wire sponges and also some good old Dawn dish soap. So, of course, with some hot to warm water here, because you want to keep everything pretty pliable. Obviously, don't make it too hot to where it's not like unbearable. So what I'm doing is right now, by reheating the adhesive on the label, it should be able to literally just peel it right off. So when you're done, you just throw it away. Now the ones on the bottom should be the same exact way. If you guys do need help getting them off, just go in with like the metal sponge. Or with like a plastic knife, that will work too. And just literally scrape it all off. Okay, keep it under the warm water, just to keep whatever wax is in there nice and pliable, so that way it can easily be cleaned off. And next what I'm going to do is go in with the Dawn dish soap. Get a little bit of water in there and just literally start scrubbing with
the little sponge here. See it? Alright, and there we go. So I'm just going to fast forward this video, and yeah, you're literally just gonna go through and repeat the process.
ones that I have done besides the one that I did for my bathroom for Q-tips. But yeah, next I'm going to show you guys how to do them for your vanity. So guys, so this is basically what I did with my makeup brushes. So in this one, I just put like those clear rocks. You can get like a huge bag of them literally at the Dollar Tree. So I just bought like 3 of those. So that's just what I have like my makeup brushes in, and then I have this one is where all of my sponges are, which is really exciting. I did want to let you guys know I did get this new makeup sponge from Real Techniques. It's their microfiber sponge, and oh my god guys, this like sponge is so good for picking up powder, so I highly recommend it. But yeah, so I just have my little sponges in there, put the little lid on there, and yeah, you guys are all set. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up for me, and I'll be trying to do some more DIYs and stuff like that on my channel, like beauty related. That's kind of the only reason why I did this. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys go ahead, click that subscribe button down below. That would mean literally everything to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.